क्या तुम्हें बाइक चलाना आता है? डू यू नो हाउ टू राइड अ बाइक? डू यू नो हाउ टू राइड अ बाइक? हे भगवान, इतना समय हो गया, मुझे निकलना होगा। ओ माई गॉड, इज दैट द टाइम? आई हैव गॉट टू गो। ओ माई गॉड, इज दैट द टाइम? आई हैव गॉट टू गो। बिल ले आना। ब्रिंग द बिल। ब्रिंग द बिल। क्या मैं खा लूं? मे आई ईट? मे आई ईट? तुम्हारी मनमानी हमेशा नहीं चलेगी। योर टेंट्रम्स विल नॉट बी एक्सेप्टेड ऑलवेज। योर टेंट्रम्स विल नॉट बी एक्सेप्टेड ऑलवेज। अगर तुम फ्री हो तो मैं तुम्हें कॉल करूं? शैल आई गिव यू अ कॉल इफ यू आर फ्री? शैल आई गिव यू अ कॉल इफ यू आर फ्री? मैं उसे और नहीं झेल सकता। I can't put up with him any longer. I can't put up with him any longer. सब ना सही तो कुछ तो दे दो. If not all, give me some. If not all, give me some. ये आसान है. It is easy. It is easy. कभी वापस ना आने के लिए. Never to return. Never to return. अब कुछ बड़ा करने की बारी है. It's time to do something big. It's time to do something big. चलो चेक करते हैं. Let's check it. Let's check it. तुम ऐसा बोलने वाले होते कौन हो? Who are you to say this? Who are you to say this? रैसेज पर खुजली मत करो, खून बहने लगेगा. Don't scratch the rashes, you will make them bleed. Don't scratch the rashes, you will make them bleed. मुझे लगा कि उसने कुछ और कहा. I thought he said something else. I thought he said something else. मेरा ऐसा इरादा बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. It was not my intention at all. It was not my intention at all. मेरे साथ खड़े रहो. Stand by me. Stand by me. उसे छोड़ो और यहाँ आओ. Let that be and come here. Let that be and come here. बस थोड़ा सा. Just a little. Just a little. जागे हुए मुझे 1 घंटा हो गया. It's been an hour since I woke up. It's been an hour since I woke up. मुझे लैपटॉप चार्ज करना है. I need to charge my laptop. I need to charge my laptop. उसने अपने कानों पर जोर डाला ताकि वो सुन पाए कि वो क्या कह रहे थे. She strained her ears to catch what they were saying. She strained her ears to catch what they were saying. मेरे लिए थोड़ा पानी गर्म कर दो. Heat up some water for me. Heat up some water for me. वो हम दोनों के बीच दरार डालने की कोशिश कर रहा है. He is trying to create a rift between us. He is trying to create a rift between us. आप बोल शब्द का उच्चारण कैसे करते हैं? How do you pronounce the word bowl? How do you pronounce the word bowl? It's not bowl, it's bowl. Bowl. How do you pronounce the word bowl? तुमसे छोटा है क्या वो जो तुम उससे तू करके बात कर रहे हो? Is he younger than you as you are talking with him rudely? Is he younger than you as you are talking with him rudely? इतने कम समय में तुम ये सब कैसे मैनेज करोगे? How will you manage all this in so little time? How will you manage all this in so little time? मैंने ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं किया है. I have done no such thing. I have done no such thing. तुम काम पर कैसे जाते हो? How do you go to work? How do you go to work? पागल मत बनो. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. तुम उसे ऐसे क्यों देख रही हो? Why are you looking at her like this? Why are you looking at her like this? मैं तो बस तुझे चिढ़ा रहा था. I was just teasing you. I was just teasing you. लेकिन क्या समस्या हुई होगी उसके साथ? But What issues could be there with him? But what issues could be there with him? मुझसे पूछा गया. I was asked. I was asked. उसे चोट लग गई. He hurt himself. He hurt himself. एक कील ठोक दो. Hammer a nail. Hammer a nail. कहाँ से सीखते हो ये सब? Where did you get such ideas? Where do you get such ideas? इस पेज की कॉपी कर दो. Copy this page. Copy this page. मैं सांस नहीं ले पा रहा हूँ. It's hard for me to breathe. It's hard for me to breathe. कल मैंने बहुत काम किया था रात को. I did a lot of work last night. I did a lot of work last night. मैं तैयार हूँ. I am ready. I am ready. वो हमेशा अपने मन की करता है. He always does what he wants. He always does what he wants. पता नहीं आज जाने क्या हुआ होगा. I have no idea what might have happened today. I have no idea what might have happened today. मैं बस बनाने ही जा रही हूँ. I am just going to make it. I am just going to make it. घंटों हो गए. It's been hours. It's been hours. क्या तुम भी आना चाहते हो? Do you also want to come? Do you also want to come? No, I am not. नहीं, नहीं लगी है. No, I am not. समय खत्म. Time's up. Time's up. तेरी बहन है. तू पूछ उससे जाके. She's your sister. Go and ask her. She's your sister. Go and ask her. मैं सुन रहा हूँ. I am all ears. I am all ears. और किसने पूछा तुमसे? Who else has asked you? Who else has asked you? कुछ नहीं होगा. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. ये किस बारे में है? What is it about? What is it about? धूप में बाहर जाने से मेरे सर में दर्द हो जाता है. Going out in the sun gives me a headache. Going out in the sun gives me a headache. मुझे पक्का नहीं पता. I am not sure. I am not sure. मसाला एकदम महीन पीसना. Grind the spices into a fine powder. Grind the spices into a fine powder. ये सही लग रहा है. It makes sense. It makes sense. वह काफी दूर है. That's too far. That's too far. मैंने सही से कपड़े नहीं पहने हैं. I am not dressed properly. I am not dressed properly. मैं पूरी बात भूलना चाहता हूँ. I want to forget the whole thing. I want to forget the whole thing. तुम्हारा काम हुआ या नहीं? Is your work done or not? Is your work done or not? हाँ, 4 बार. Yes, 4 times. Yes, 4 times. पापा कुछ मिनटों पहले ही गए हैं. Dad went a few minutes ago. Dad went a few minutes ago. अपनी कमीज के बटन्स खोलो. Undo the buttons of your shirt. Undo the buttons of your shirt. मेरा जन्मदिन 15 मार्च को है. My birthday is on 15th of March. My birthday is on 15th of March. चुप हो जाओ. इसके आगे एक शब्द भी बोला ना तो मुंह तोड़ दूंगा. समझे? Shut up. If you utter one more word, I will break your face. Got it? Shut up. If you utter one more word, I'll break your face. Got it? उसकी हथेली की चमड़ी मोटी हो गई है. His palm is covered with calluses. His palm is covered with calluses. पर्दे के पीछे छुप जाओ. Hide behind the curtain. Hide behind the curtain. पेन बंद करके नीचे रख दो. Cap the pen and put down. Cap the pen and put down. अपनी उंगलियां हिलाओ। Wriggle your fingers. Wriggle your fingers. मैं ये मामला सुलझा कर आती हूँ। I will come after settling down this matter. I will come after settling down this matter. मुझे कुछ काम करना है। I have to do some work. I have to do some work. इनको अपने घर में चैन नहीं मिलता है क्या? Don't they find their home good enough to stay? Don't they find their home good enough to stay? शाबाश, तुम वापस अपनी जगह पर जाके बैठ सकते हो। Well done, you may go back to your place. Well done, you may go back to your place. देर रात तक काम मत किया करो। Don't work till late at night. Don't work till late at night. कब से कब तक? From when to when? From when to when? नहीं, मैंने नहीं सुना। No, I didn't. No, I didn't. मुझे ऑफिस पहुंचने में 25 मिनट लगते हैं। It takes me 25 minutes to get to work. It takes me 25 minutes to get to work. इसे अलग ही पैक कर दो। Wrap it separately. Wrap it separately. कुछ बात है क्या? Is anything wrong? Is anything wrong? मैंने 2 दिनों से कुछ नहीं खाया। I have not eaten anything for 2 days. I have not eaten anything for 2 days. आंखें कभी झूठ नहीं बोलती। Eyes never lie. Eyes never lie. उसे मत बताना। Don't tell her. Don't tell her. क्या यहाँ पर कोई है? Is anyone here? Is anyone here? ये बच्चे मुझे पागल कर रहे हैं। These children are driving me crazy. These children are driving me crazy. मुझे अभी खाने का मन नहीं है। I don't feel like eating now. I don't feel like eating now. आपको कॉन्सर्ट कैसा लगा? How did you like the concert? How did you like the concert? क्या हाल है? How are you? How are you? तू क्या बताएगा उसे? मैं बताता हूँ उसे। What will you tell her? I will tell her. What will you tell her? I will tell her. पिछले साल उसके मार्क्स बहुत अच्छे आए थे। Last year he had got really good marks. Last year he had got really good marks. समय बर्बाद मत करो। Don't waste time. Don't waste time. मेरे 2 बेटे हैं, राम और श्याम। I have 2 sons, Ram and Shyam. I have 2 sons, Ram and Shyam. यह मेरे एक दोस्त के लिए है। This is for a friend of mine. This is for a friend of mine. क्या तुम कभी भी समय पर आओगे? Will you ever be on time? Will you ever be on time? तुम्हें सबक सिखाना ही चाहिए। You should be taught a lesson. You should be taught a lesson. कितना परिश्रम करना पड़ता है मुझे ही पता है। Only I know how hard one has to work. Only I know how hard one has to work. बाद में मिलती हूँ। Catch you on the flip side. Catch you on the flip side. उसके दिमाग में गोबर भरा है। His head is filled with trash. His head is filled with trash. क्या कुछ बचा है? Is anything left? Is anything left?